Hello everyone, this is Gourab from Indiahikes. Right now I am standing at Indiahikes Raithal Campus for the famous Dayara Bugyal trek. And today is 20th Jan and you can see it's been snowing since midnight, and the amount of snow over here at our Raithal Campus, which is just at 7,140 feet. So you can imagine how much snow will be there throughout the entire Dayara Bugyal trek. So it's been long, we are waiting for this moment, this day since December, but here we are. Finally, the snow has come to the mountain, even at the base camp.
Hello everyone, I am Srirang, trek leader with Indiahikes. Currently I am on Kuari Pass trek and I have a really happy announcement for all of you. It's been snowing heavily since last night and we are really happy to tell you that it has almost snowed more than 2 feet since last night. And it is predicted that it will continue to snow in coming 3 to 4 days.
Hi everyone, this is Indiahikes trek leader Vignesh reporting from Gujrani campsite. This is the first campsite of Brahmatal trek, and we got to experience snowfall in the morning before we started the trek, and it is showing snowfall in the coming days and weeks as well. I wish all the very best for people who are coming on Brahmatal trek to experience snowfall.
So those who are coming for the trek, any trek, Indiahikes, any trek, so we are really excited to receive you on slope, and it's a request from us that please be prepared before coming here because it's very much cold over here also, along with the snow. At night the temperature is dropping near about -5 to -10 even at the base camp. So be prepared, come with a proper trekking gear and proper trekking spirit. Here, Gourab signing out from Raithal Campus.